videos for the event hubs, for the internets.
Oh yeah, of the guys' fights.
Yeah, the fight stick actually working.
Current gens, baby.
Compatibility, we got it. This is gonna save a lot of people a lot of money.
I think you gotta pick your color.
Oh, that's what I did.
Oh, color 4, you can't pick it. Okay.
That sucks. Play this game.
Oh, because he had it. Oh.
No, he had color 4. He wanted to be all yellow.
Oh. Oh, I love yellow Glacius. He's pretty good. I like
Purple.
Purple Glacius.
Yeah, you're right. That Vikings off.
Oh yeah. I don't know if you wanna. Not this year.
Well, as far as I know, I think Ponder's got it.
Oh, I hope he's snapping into it after being on the bench for a while.
6 watts work, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's gonna be called second.
Yeah. Oh, you got it up there?
Working on it.
Yeah.
It's upload.
Yeah, if you brought your stick, you could have had a whole stick.
If I didn't live so far away, I'd go get it.
I need you to get my fight stick in the car. My 45 minutes down here in the corner.
I know the answer to that one. No.
Don't say so. Buy your breakfast. No, ain't gonna happen.
Yes, this is happening.